Joanna Walters. I'm the owner of Wish Rock Relaxation, and right now we are in Long Beach at the Human Touch headquarters. And I have the Human Touch Super Novo 2.0, and I am excited to tell you about this one. It is one of my favorite chairs. This is suitable for people up to 6 feet 9 inches tall. Officially, it says 285 pounds, but we've definitely had success with putting people up to 300 pounds in this chair. I can't wait to take you through it. She is a beauty. Every last detail has been meticulously designed, and I think you're going to like it. The Super Novo 2.0 is a 4D SL track chair. And for those of you that don't, you have the ability to adjust how much pressure. As you can see, it's a very well-designed waterfall design of the back pads. So you've got the pillow that first, if you want to have a deeper tissue massage to the neck and shoulders, then you can also remove the secondary pad here. And then you've got just one single pad. And if you would like a very deep tissue experience, remove the last pad, and then this gives you direct access to the 4D roller mechanism. Notice the open toe footrest. It makes the chair accessible for people with larger feet. And this chair has a really nice set of foot rollers as well as calf rollers here in the calf area. Closed toe footrests that you'll see on some of our other manufacturers limit the size of your feet and usually top out around size 12.5, and 14 is a very snug fit. This chair is truly capable for people that have larger feet over size 14 because there's no constriction, which makes it a really nice feature. Everything about the Super Novo 2.0 is world class. If you are an audiophile, recognize the JBL speakers that deliver very crisp sounds. One of my favorite features is the sounds of nature that are just built into the chair, providing a very relaxing experience. Here you've got wireless charging for your phone as well as a USB charger, and then quick controls right at the ready. Your heat control, pause at any time, and of course, you just push this button in and you can turn your chair on or off right here, as well as an intensity dial. One of the cool things is on the back of the remote, there's a magnet here, and it just nicely sits and doesn't jiggle around or anything in the compartment for the remote. And then if we take a look at this, you can power the chair up from this power button here, as well as holding this button in, which is a nice feature. And as we toggle through the remote, you can see all the different auto programs. This chair actually has 38 auto programs, which is pretty incredible. And there's a lot of very premium features. So if we look at the 40 programs, there's stretch, Swedish, and shiatsu. And then if we come out of that, and then we look at all the programs, you can see all the options you have. Tension relief, yoga studio, performance, full body, upper body, lower body, and the demo mode. And then inside there, you can pick what type of massage you would prefer. Let's say that you're playing around and looking at all the different programs, but you want to come back to the home menu. You just hit the hamburger menu here, and it allows you to really explore the different parts of the chair. Cloud Tech is the airbag system inside. And then the manual mode here, which is one of Michael's favorite, is the ability to really focus and create the perfect massage just for you. My best advice to you is that once you get your Super Novo 2.0, just take an hour or two and play with it. That way you really are familiar with every part of the chair. It's very easy to use, it's self-explanatory, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. You can call or text us, and we're happy to help you however we can.